A very good day to all of you. Welcome to Tashu Tech channel. CIT NCERT recently conducted an online training on cyber parenting from 2nd to 6th of September 2024. Now, if you want to have a certificate of 5 hours for continuous professional development, we have to join the online course on Diksha portal. We have to score 70% and above in the assessment. So let's try the assessment part to get more than 70%. How can you minimize social media time? By setting daily time limits on social media use. Which of the following is not a typical parental control method? Setting up user profiles with different access levels. What is digital footprint in relation to parental control? The record of a child's online activity and presence. How to perform a digital detox? Limit technology use. How to utilize technology wisely for studies. Use apps or browser extensions to block distracting websites during study sessions and maintain productivity. What is one way parents can ensure their child's safety online? By talking to them about online safety and setting screen time limits. Why might a parent use location tracking as part of parental control? To monitor the child's whereabouts for safety. What do you think is the reason for anxiety while using social platforms? Fear of missing out. What is a common way to manage online privacy through parental controls? Setting up secure passwords and privacy settings on accounts. Which of the following devices typically supports parental control settings? Smartphones. What is the primary purpose of parental control software? To manage and limit children's access to online content. Excessive screen use effects on all of the above. How to set boundaries for online and offline. Create specific times for online and offline activities. Which of these actions can be considered cyberbullying? Posting rude comments or spreading rumors about someone online. What is a content filter in the context of parental control? A tool to block inappropriate websites. What is digital fasting? Limiting use of certain apps for a period. How to have offline quality time. Engage in creative hobbies. What does a web filter do? Filter and restricts access to specific websites. Which parental control feature helps manage screen time? Time limiter. Is digital presence important as well? Depends on the context. What should you avoid sharing online to protect yourself from cyberbullying? Your personal photos and contact information. What are the strategies for balancing online and offline studies? Utilizing technology wisely. Which of the following is a common feature of parental control application? Child activity tracking. Why is it important for parents to guide children on the internet? To ensure children use the internet safely and responsibly. How do parental control apps typically communicate with parents about their child's online activity? Via email or app notifications. What are the factors affecting teenagers by using social media? Good comments. What is cyberbullying? Making fun of someone online and spreading harmful information about them. Which of the following is a good practice for children when using social media? Only connecting with known people. How to keep structured screen time? Use screen time tracking apps. How can you respond if you or someone you know is being cyberbullied? Block the bully, report the behavior to a trusted adult, and report it to the platform. Let's submit the answer. So here we have scored 25 out of 30. Kindly join the online course on Diksha platform, watch all the videos and attempt the assessment. That's all from this video. Thank you very much.